I'm starting out this painting a little bit through the process, but my camera died, so this is sadly all I got of the mountains. But I basically started building them up on a white notebook with gouache paints, and then I started to do the hills and the trees. And how I do the trees is I get the tip of my brush really small and then just keep going in little tiny upward motions and repeat this whole process with a really dark green. And then I will go back in with the lightest green or the highlights and then go over the tip top of the trees where the sun is hitting them. Then I will kind of start to carve out where the hills are based on my highlights and just repeat the tree process and add a few little structures inside the hills like the rocks on the left, and then lightly add some atmospheric perspective coming from the right and the bottom corner to make it fade a little bit more. And last but not least are the foreground trees, which are always super fun to paint. I just go in with the darkest black that I can have and then add some highlights around the edges of the leaves to show where the sun is hitting. Now for the most exciting part is carefully peeling off the tape. On this bottom row, it did not come off very well, which was kind of disappointing. And a good way to kind of solve this problem that I've figured out is to use your tape once before you use it on your painting officially, or it might accidentally rip up some of your paper. But all the other sides were completely good, and I just need to remember to do this next time. So that is the final painting. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick time-lapse process, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching.